After looking at assignment 3, I knew that I wanted to focus my project on my netball team. Something that I've already made for the team is an MVP voting poll with Google Forms. Each week, people who attend the match visit this form and vote for a most valuable player. Going from that idea, I started researching how I could create my own voting poll system through vanilla JavaScript. I looked at some online web tutorials and watched a few YouTube videos to gain an understanding of how I would go about doing this. I quickly realized that to achieve the outcome that I wanted, I would need to delve into the world of databases and SQL, because this would ensure that votes would be saved and viewable to others. However, I didn't believe that it would be feasible to learn and use this new coding language in the time that I had. So I shifted my focus to displaying existing data that I already gathered from my Google form and presenting that in a fun way. My first inspiration was a bubble chart, which generally shows number discrepancies through sizes. I went back to the JavaScript library p5.js and looked at examples of circles, movement, and bouncing animations because I now had a clear idea of what my display of the MVP votes would look like. So I started making it in the P5 editor and then transferred it into Visual Studio Code, where I had started developing the layout of a web app. The web app is to become a digital hub for my netball team and a place to host the MVP bubble chart. As stated before, the community of practice that I have chosen to focus on is my netball team. We come together every Sunday night to play social netball, and our team name is called Family Feud. The domain and context of Family Feud is that we are a mixed social netball team that plays every Sunday night. We have two physical domains, one being the Eastern Indoor Sports Centre in Knoxfield, which is where the matches are held, but also McDonald's on Ferntree Gully Road, 800 metres down from where we play. This is where we all convene after the match for a soft serve. The repertoire of this community of practice is made up of exercise and netball skills, such as shooting, running and jumping, but also many social behaviours such as talking, whether that be catching up on the week or complaining about the opposition. We also spend time together at Macca's, and most team members car share when driving to the game. In Family Feud, we value this time spent together at the end of each week. Our main goal and the reason we started this team about 2 years ago was to socialise with more people and have fun, de-stress, while also take part in non-competitive sport. The plan I had with this project was to create a digital hub for the team in which all our online interactions could be found in the same place. The MVP poll was also intended to engage and motivate people while they voted for an MVP after each game. On this particular Sunday night, our match was at 6:20 and everyone arrived 10 minutes early to warm up and practice before the match. We ended up winning the game 24 goals to 14 and decided to reward ourselves by going to Macca's. I let everyone order and get their food before I sent the website link to the netball group chat and asked them to open it onto their phones. Here they are interacting with the web app and the MVP visualizer.
Who's in? I'm in. Imagine that sub one. Am I picking everyone who's here? Oh no, just one. Christy.
Say orange, you have the most MVP that week. That's like, also the purple one.
I liked that the interaction encouraged team members to discuss what was on the page, such as the availability checklist.
What a game. This is an absolute game.
I asked Noah, the week's MVP, what he thought about the poll showing him as the best player.
Noah, how does it feel to be the week's MVP?
Terrible. Fantastic.
Do you think you played well?
No.
No, you did. Look, everyone says.
He was obviously having a joke around, and like most other members, were still unsure of what exactly this new website was. This was a chaotic yet fun experience, and I think the team enjoyed the new interaction as it provided a talking point around the Macca's table. Overall, the web app met its intended purpose of increasing engagement and lighthearted fun.